21 days later, finally Punekars will get relief from the heat that has been seen in the last month and also in the mid-month of June. Finally, this is the second day of rain we have been seen in the city like Pune. Right now, we are at the Aga Nagar side of Viman Nagar, where you can see the monsoons has been started. As we have seen, this is the second rain which is coming in the city of Pune, where we have seen on Sunday. Pune had already witnessed heavy rain, and we have seen in that heavy rain also it was the first rain that has shown to be a biggest flop. As we have seen, like it has been seen that it looks like cities now needed to become immune to the rain related issues, like we have been seeing street flooding and traffic jams, and stop hoping for anything that could the PMC could be done. As you have seen right now also, you could say around 2:30 finally Punekars were receiving the rainfalls. As we have seen right now, even now people are starting, even you can see there's no heavy traffic jam, because this is not a proper peak hour. You could say it is around 2:30 when the rainfall has been started in the city of Pune. But we have been seeing that when on Sunday it was an heavy rainfall in city like Pune, many roads were also stuck with lots of traffic jams, and also lots of pothole issues, as well as the drainage issues has been seen on the roads as well. As we have seen, if every citizens know that PMC had been given us promises regarding the rainy season, that the PMC is finally ready for the rainfall. As we have seen, even official has promised that better monsoons following which citizens were hoping for something better. However, their hopes has been trashed, because just on Sunday also we have been seen that heavy rainfall have been just a big hope for the Punekars, where we have seen in the areas like Katraj, Balaji area and Uttam Nagar area, there were lots of potholes, as well as the roads were filled with the water over there, and people were stuck in the traffic, and they were stuck for around 1 to 2 hours. Even if we have seen the promises that were made by PMC, where that PMC had already claimed that nearly 85% of pre-monsoon cleaning work had been completed. Even civic officials also stated that 75% of nalas and 70% storm water drains and 63% of storm water lines has been cleaned to ensure for the smooth rainwater during that peak season. Along with that, even we have seen that Sunday's rainfall has again raised the questions about the effectiveness for those preparation. Even though the administration has spent lakh of rupees on the drain cleaning and rainwater drainage measures before the onset of the monsoon, yet the first significant rain that we have seen on Sunday has shown the reality of it. Now, as we have seen, finally the Punekars will be witnessing rainy season from these days. As we have seen, the Sunday was the first rainfall, and today you could say it is around the second rainfall. But we have to see the promises that were made by PMC, and they have been spent lakhs, like even lakhs and crores for the entire cleaning system and other storm line water system. But we have to see, will this be a successful or not, or still the Punekars will be facing the heavy traffic jams and filled up with nalas and even roads filled up with the water. With camera person Palak, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.